Someone's got the hiccups.
They're coming Thursday. Midwife.
I thought it was a bit weird that they're coming on Wednesday when I got